Hi, I'm Alan Chen, and I'm the owner of the Lightning Gravity Gaming Company, and I'm trying to make a YouTube tutorial on ways of drawing different stroke in Photoshop, and I'm trying to make this one after, which I added recently. It's a good idea to undo more in Photoshop elements to make sure you can undo tasks and not like restart the whole project sometimes. So I'm doing this one so far, ways of drawing different Photoshop stroke and Photoshop. So this is how I'm doing it now. Yeah, yeah, just drawing stroke. I might want to do a background if you like to, but you don't have to. So drawing stroke can use as pens, brush. We'll see brush, not pencil. Um, or you can use grid as well. More of the stroke should be smaller pixels, maybe up to no 4 is too small. I think 7. Yeah, because this canvas is a bit bigger than you think. Um, yeah. Um, yeah. So you can select one dot of the vertex to hit shift. Then you do this and do this. That is one way of drawing a different stroke. Another one is drawing a stroke is by highlighting it with this, or hit M and click Shift again, or Alt to deselect, or Alt plus Shift to make it even. As you can, I guess. Yeah. And then right mouse click on this and draw stroke outline. Before it was 7, so I'm trying to make it even as stroke as I can. But was this 7 brush that I did? Yeah, 7. So you can make sure is it right. Yeah. And then just another way of doing it is oh, I was supposed to create another layer from before, but it's okay. This is the rough teaching lessons. Um, yeah, always draw another. Oh, it doesn't matter, I guess. Just for practicing only. So, and there's another way of doing it is through like this version. This one, and well, create new. I need to create a new image for this. So maybe change this color to red. Paint bucket into another image, another layer, and deselect it if you like to by clicking somewhere else but once, but not dragging it. Just click it once. Uh, Maybe make this back to black because it's by default color. Remember to click this arrow one, move tool, and yeah, kind of select this one. Right mouse select it, edit layer. Maybe add stroke down here. It's more customized. It's only this option, I guess. Maybe try center, I guess, and like this more different, smaller. Yeah, at least add different sizes. You can see slowly different. You can at least adjust the opacity. Unlike this one, like select the thing and then after change just only one stroke. So this is what it kind of looks like. The 3 different ways of drawing stroke. Unless yeah, basically drawing stroke. Unless you use pencil for this one. which is 1 pixel can be a bit too small-ish. Um, and then this, unless you just meant by something else without a grid or something. Well, you shouldn't always use a grid unless you're really bad at drawing proportions. So maybe you just use this to draw a stroke, but it just doesn't that doesn't really matter much. Or use the drawing pen from shopping in the more like Best Buy or something that you can draw with a pen with different looks. Maybe I should plug in it right now just to show you what is it looks like. Yeah, I can quickly set it up right now. It's called Wall Wacom or something. Yeah, I'll just plug in right now quickly as I can. So I think my brush should be a bit bigger because Egon looks smaller than around this big. I plugged in with my not this one. Yeah, whatever. I think it works now. Yeah, with my pen that looks a bit different. It looks more cleaner. Um, yeah, it looks a bit different than using my mouse stroke. It's called drawing pad, I guess. Yeah, it's different from this. It's more solid. This one looks like can like tap in a little bit and thicker and very thinner as I lightly draw it a little bit skillfully. Something like that. That's good for photoshopping. So this is the ways of drawing different stroke in Photoshop. So I think that's basically it. Unless you use filter on something else. Uh, yeah. Uh, yeah. I not touch with filters too much because it's mostly for photography and stuff, not for animation. Yeah. So yeah, I think this is basically it. Thank you.